I did have a radical experience with God, 3 days after quitting porn where, like, I truly felt the presence of him in my life. So I talked about, it was Valentine's Day, kind of the day that it all kind of shook me. That was a Thursday. Friday was the day I told Stephanie. Friday was the day I ripped the computer apart. By Sunday, I was supposed to be attending church, and I was already kind of actively going, going regularly. Stephanie was attending with me every once in a while. We had a massive fight that morning. At this point, I'd gone, 3 days without porn, which at that time had been the longest I'd gone in probably decades. And I was new in this journey, man. And I didn't know how to handle and process like the things, because I'm getting angry and frustrated. She's pushing back on it. Now we're already late. Now we're going to miss it. Like, you've ruined my whole day. You've ruined my whole life. I hate you, this, that, da, da, da. I got really mad because, like, she was fiery, man. She would push back as well. I ended up kind of, like, it got to the point where I'm so angry, like I'm punching walls. Like, that was where the rage was at, as I was hitting things. The third, hit into the wall, I hit the stud, man, like the big 2x4 that runs down the drywall. It shattered my hand, man. I still have, like, the way that it's set and healed was never perfect. But the minute I pulled my hand out, it was like double the size. And I collapsed because now I have a broken hand. This is all your fault. I don't want to be here. I didn't have an understanding of it. God, just kill me. I don't even care if I'm here anymore. Just take me from this place. Like, I don't want to be here anymore. I saw God through her, because she literally picked me up and she said, "You're being stupid right now, but I love you and I'm going to take care of you." And her saying she was going to take care of me was like God saying, whatever you're going on for the rest of your life, I'm going to take care of you. And you don't have to worry about any of these things. You're still going to have to do some stuff. You're still going to have to fight. You're still going to have to push, and you're going to have to chase becoming who I made you to be. But you don't have to allow it to control you like it has your entire life, because my emotions and feelings always controlled me. We fought on the way to the hospital. I told her, take me to a clinic. She's like, "You can't fix a broken hand at a clinic." I said, "Yes, you can. Just take me to the clinic." So she took me to a clinic. We walked in. They saw my hand. They said, "What are you doing here? Go to the hospital." She's like, "You're a dummy. Once again, I'm going to take care of you. Trust in me." And I was like, "Okay, God, I'm going to trust in you right now." So we get to the emergency room. It's hours, bro. Like, it literally felt like I was there for 2 days. And during that whole time, man, she's sitting on the other side. Like, she wants nothing to do with me. Like, she's just over there. She's like, "You're an idiot. You're the reason why we're here, but it's all going to be okay." So I'm sitting there, man. I'm praying. I'm thinking about it. Just, there's this peace that's coming over me, man. Like, just massive, massive calm and peace. They pull me back to the room. They check all your vitals, heart rate, all this stuff. My resting heart rate was like 52. I had a broken hand, and I had been in a massive rage hours before. They're like, "Why is your heart rate only 52 beats right now? Like, this is not normal." And the only thing I said is, like, "I feel the peace of God right now." Like, I truly had a radical experience in a hospital room where God was like, "It's going to be okay. Like, you're fine. And I got you in this thing." So I've had some experiences like that, man, even in these last couple of years. I don't want to feel like I'm projecting anything in my belief system upon to anybody. I appreciate you kind of navigating this conversation with me. You're doing an incredible job. But yeah, when somebody says that they're an atheist or they don't believe anything outside of what they see here, I have a hard time wrapping my head around that.